Discover your new lifestyle at this wonderful Alpine retreat with unforgettable west-facing views. The main house offers 3 bedrooms, an optional office or 4th bedroom, and 2.5 bathrooms. Prepare your family feast with ease in the spacious open kitchen, complete with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The great room offers plenty of space for a pool table and ample room to spread out with your family and friends. The beautifully appointed guest house with its own private entrance has just been constructed and offers a spacious open kitchen with a center island, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom. This home is complete with 38 solar panels on transferable Net 1 metering. The 3-car garage is also equipped with an electric vehicle charging station. If you bought this home, you would enjoy year-round resort-style living. The Infinity Edge pool, coupled with the fully equipped outdoor kitchen, is an entertainer's delight. The outdoor kitchen offers a double-tap keg, wine fridge, 2 separate prep sinks, barbecue, and there is even a projector for movie nights in the pool. On cooler evenings, hang out in your spa and light the fire while gazing at the stars. 2312 Sheri Place in Alpine is waiting for you.